So the previous example I explained you with second order Runge-Kutta method. Now I am going to explain you all third order Runge-Kutta method with the same example. How much is f of x comma y is equal to x square minus y, is it? So f of x will be equal, let's check. Yes, f of x is equal to x square minus y. So now I will solve this by using third order Runge-Kutta method. So k1 is equal to h into f of x naught y naught. So it will be 0.1 into f of 0, 1. Okay. So what will be this? Let us calculate.
0 square minus 1 0.
So the answer is minus 0.1. Okay. So I take here minus 0.1. Now k2 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h and y naught plus k1. So 0.1 into f. How much is 0 plus 0.1? 0.1. Now let us calculate y naught plus k1. So it is 0.9. Okay. So let us calculate this. So answer is minus 0.089. So k3 is equal to h into f of x1 x naught plus h y naught plus k2 is equal to 0.1 into it again 0.1. So y naught plus k2 so it is 0.911. So let us calculate. So the answer is minus 0.0901. Now k4 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 into y naught plus k3 k1 upon 2. Okay, so how much is it coming? Let us see. 0.1 into f of 0.1 divided by 2 is 1 plus 0 is 0. So it is 0.05. And this is 0.95. So let us calculate. So the answer is minus 0.09475. Okay, so k will be equal to 1 by 6 into k1 plus 4k4 plus k3. Okay, so how much is it coming? Let's see. So it is minus 0.09485. Okay, so now let us calculate y1. y1 is equal to y naught plus k. So how much will it be? Let us calculate. It is 0.90515. Okay, so y at x is, so let us calculate x1 also. x1 is equal to x0 plus h is equal to 0 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.1. So y at x is equal to 0.1 will be this 0.90515. Okay, now let us calculate k1 is equal to h into f of x1 y1. So 0.1 into f of 0.1 comma 0.90515. So answer is minus 0.089515. So k2 is equal to again h into x1 plus h and y1 plus k1, which will be 0.1, and how much will be x1 plus h? So x1 plus h will be 0.1 plus 0.1, which gives 0.2, and how much is this? Let's calculate. So this is 0.815635. Okay, so now let us calculate this. So how much is it? It is minus 0.0775635. So k3 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h into y1 plus k2. So 0.1 again 0.2 into, let's calculate this. So this is 0.8275865. So now let us calculate this. 0.2 square minus 0.8275 into 0.1. So how much is it? Minus 0.078758. Okay, now k4 is equal to h into x1 plus h by 2 into y1 plus k1 by 2 is equal to 0.1 into f of h by 2 কত হবে দেখো 0.2 divided by 2 plus 0.1, which is 0.15, and let's see this also. So this is 0.86039. Okay, so let's calculate this also. 0.15 square minus 0. So how much is it? Minus 0.0838789. Okay, now let's similarly calculate k. So k will be 1 by 6 into k1 plus 4k4 plus K3. So how much is it? Write it down. So the answer will be minus 0.083904. Okay, so similarly calculate y2 over here. y1 is equal y2 is equal to y1 plus k, which is equal to so 0.821245. Okay, so x2 will be equal to x plus 1 plus h, which is 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.2. So y at x is equal to 0.2 will be equal to 0.821245, and whereas y at x is equal to 0.1 will be this 0.90515. Okay, so now let us simulate in Scilab also. Okay, I will show you the same in Scilab also. So you all can see here the program, same equation over here. So see, what does Runge-Kutta third order method states? So third order Runge-Kutta method, what does it states? So it's k, add one more, k3 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k 2. Okay, and put k4 which is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k 3 by 2. Got it? You are seeing the same equations over here also, so correct this also. What will be it is 1 by 6 into k1 plus 4 into k4 plus k3. Okay, so now what will I do? Save the file over here. Now run. Click on this run button and execute. Now here, for third order Runge-Kutta method, what is it asking in the input? What is our x naught? It's 0, and our x1 is 1. Okay, and h is 0.1. And we have calculated up to 0.2. So again write 0.2. So it's showing error. Let us see what's the error. It's K1.
h into
Yeah, this was the error. So again, after solving the error, again save the file, then click on the run button and execute it. Again write the initial value of x naught, it's 0 and y naught is 1. So I wrote 1 and then I write 0.1 and then 0.2. Now let's see what. See, we got x1, x at 0.1 is 0.901515, whereas x at 0.82124. For the tally your answer, it's matching, right? So, thank you.